The Clarke CSM5350RP boltless shelving is ideal for any workshop, garage, office or home. This shelving unit is so quick and easy to assemble that it can be put together using only a mallet in a matter of minutes. It doesn't require nuts and bolts. Instead, it utilises a clever slot and pin locking mechanism that is durable, hard-wearing, easy to work with, and less intrusive than traditional nut and bolt fixings. The upright frame of this shelving has a rounded, rolled edge, providing a smoother finish with no sharp edges, improved strength, and sleeker dynamic look. This particular unit boasts an impressive 350 kilograms of evenly distributed load per shelf. A smaller 150 kilogram model is available. The CSM5350RP has 5 strong 6mm fiberboard shelves with adjustable shelf heights. Although assembled here as shelving, this same kit can also be assembled as a bench or corner unit. The CSM5350RP stands 1.8 meters high with shelves of 900 by 400 millimeters. And with its tough powder-coated finish available in a range of colors to suit your decor, this excellent value shelving unit is exactly what you need to tidy up your workshop or garage.